Hey, I'm Travis, and welcome to Beard Network. Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing some products from the Beard Struggle Company. I originally ordered their starter kit, which cost about 60 bucks, which isn't bad, but it comes with beard oil, some beard balm, and some beard wash, and a brush, so I'll be going over those today. Now, the fragrance I ordered was the Ragnarok finale, or whatever you want to call it. I like it fairly well. You know, it smells like the professional smell that you get when you go to a barber or whatever, and the stuff that they put in your beard, you know, it smells just like that. It smells like the default barbershop smell, the stuff that they put in your beard when they get done trimming your beard and all that. So to me, it's kind of like a generic default smell that you get when you go get your beard trimmed professionally by the barbers. But I mean, it's not bad. It's just kind of like, honestly, I was kind of like underwhelmed. You know, I was expecting it to smell like something badass or something, but it was just that smell like that default, go get your haircut, go get your beard trimmed. And it's the smell of the shit that they put in your beard at the barbershop. So I wasn't impressed, but I wasn't too disappointed, I would say. It still smells good. You know, it smells like you just came out at the barber. So, you know, if you like that, then that's perfect for you. I was just expecting a little bit more from it, but that's just the smell. That's just the fragrance. There's other fragrances, so I plan on trying their different fragrances to see if maybe those are better. Maybe I just ordered the wrong one for me personally. So I don't really want to, you know, knock it too much on the fragrance, because there's other fragrances. Maybe I initially ordered the wrong one for me, you know. So I'm going to be trying their other fragrances, and I'm sure one of them I'll like a lot more. So I'll look for that in the future video or something. But getting into their beard wash actually works really great. I've used the shit out of this, sorry, cussing, but I use this a lot. I usually keep this in my shower. Just whenever I shower, I wash my beard with that. Again, I already covered the fragrance, but it works really well. It cleans the beard really well. So I don't have any complaints about as far as the quality of the beard wash. It works really well. The beard oil works really good. All right, so the quality of their products overall, I would say, is pretty high. Again, with the fragrance, not a big fan, but I'll try another one. But the quality of the beard oil and all the products are very good. You know, I put some beard oil and it lasts all day. Don't have any issues with it. And same thing with the balm. Now the balm, let me open it up, works really well as well. If you prefer to use balm, hey, it's good quality as well. And it's pretty, this review is really easy. The products are very good. Now, one thing that I will shout out to them for is the quality of the containers. Like, this is glass. It's heavy duty. It's not cheap. It's not cheap plastic or whatever. Man, it just feels good. It looks good. All right, they definitely put money into making this look good. Like, just the quality, you know, like, the word's not designer, but premium. I would say it feels and looks premium, and I like that. They took the extra step and a little bit of extra money to get good bottles and containers for it all, and so I do appreciate that. And another thing with the brush, now this brush works pretty good, you know. I enjoy it. I use it frequently. But one thing, and it doesn't really matter as far as how it works, but just one thing that I appreciate, again, is this is the normal standard brush, right? It's just wood. They actually took the time to like stain it. I appreciate that. It just looks different. To me, it looks better, right? It looks more, again, premium, or however you want to say it. It just looks better, right? Better presentation, instead of just, because 99% of brushes are this color, just wood, you know, which is fine. It works, but they took the extra step again, so I really appreciate that. Now, another thing that's kind of doesn't have to do with the review or their products are their commercials. Now, I'll be honest, I originally ordered their products based off their commercials, just because their commercials are so fresh and funny and different. And I actually enjoyed watching the commercials. It wasn't like a typical commercial where you're like, okay, yeah, push your product on me. Okay, yeah, okay, it works great. That's what you think or whatever. All right, cool. Yeah, sure, I'll think about it. But their commercials are more like little miniature movies almost, you know. Their ads are really thought out, and the quality seems to be pretty high with those ads. So I really enjoy the ads, except for those ones with that one dude, you know, that, you know, he looks like he's about 4 foot tall and he's like trying way too hard to be alpha. Bro, you're either alpha or you're not. If you're alpha, you don't have to try to look alpha. You just are. But anyways, I enjoy all the commercials except for the ones with that one dude in it. I'm pretty sure y'all know who I'm talking about. But yeah, the ads are hilarious. I really enjoy them, and that was what initially got me to try out their products in the first place, because I enjoyed their ads so much, and I'm glad I did. Overall, these guys, I'd give them probably, like, right now, I'd probably give them like a 3 out of 5. Now, once I try some other ones with some different fragrances, and maybe I'll hit that sweet spot for me, I might bump it up to like a 4 or a 5 out of 5. I don't know, but overall right now I would say like a 3 out of 5, because their product works pretty well. Nothing super great, you know, nothing that really stands out. Their products just, you know, do the job the way that I would assume products would at least work, you know, or perform, you know. So they work pretty well. The one thing that really stands out to me is the quality of their containers, you know, and I love the dripper, and it comes with that, so I appreciate that as well. So the quality of their containers, I really dig. So they get extra points for that, you know. But again, overall, 3 out of 5, 1.5 thumbs up or something. I'm not sure how that would work. Product works pretty good. Smell, I'm gonna try some other ones and see how that works out for me. So that pretty much wraps it up for this review. If you liked it, if you got anything out of it, go ahead and hit a thumbs up, you know, drop a like or a subscribe maybe. If you'd like to see more content, I'd appreciate it greatly. And with all that said, I hope everybody has a great day.